This is the Hotwav T5 Pro, a new budget rugged phone from Hotwav, which will cost you around 90 to 100 bucks depending where you find it. And for that price we get 4 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, 7500 mAh battery, Android 12, 6-inch display, the MediaTek 6761, and yeah, let's open it up. I like the presentation and the phone itself. Alright, first impressions, it does feel nice and durable in the hand. Peeling the IMEI sticker off as well. And here you have our SIM ejector tool, Type-C cable, and charging brick, and the user manual. Alright, so first impressions, the display actually looks pretty nice. So I'm going to set this up and get back to you. Alright, so we get a prompt to set up face unlock, but not the fingerprint unlock yet. So we're going to do that then. I centered my face in the circle, it doesn't want to work. Spinning my head like it wants me to, I think. Like I'm doing it close up right now, but not working. We'll skip that for now. Let's try the fingerprint now. And we have a classic rear-facing fingerprint sensor, and I'm a fan of these actually. Right, phone is all set up. It actually feels okay. Yeah, that was laggy, but that's, oh my god. Huh, okay. That's how Android 12 looks like, alright. A little bit laggy, but overall decent for the price so far. Look, it says. Alright, I'm gonna try and copy exactly those movements. Hey, I did it! So I just have to move your head up, down, that's very slight movements. Alright, let's test it out. Okay, that was very slow. Now let's try it more close up to my face. Still very slow. Alright. Now let's try fingerprint unlock. Oh, it... Ah, okay. Alright, so face unlock, for my testing it works, but it's very slow to react, and I'm guessing if you're in slightly more darker environments, then it's not going to work at all, based on past experience. And the fingerprint unlock, it works better, but also a bit slow to react, but it does work, so you know, I will just stick with the fingerprint unlock. Alright, let's see how knife it runs. Oh, Jesus. Oh, just very laggy, very laggy. What about no ads? Why is it not working? Oh my god. We'll have to go with plan B. Yeah, still very laggy. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay. So this game can run very well without ads. Now Wind Rider. I'm still gonna keep airplane mode on. And I think that's what I'm gonna do from now on, because these ads, man, they just slow down these phones so much. It's sad, really. And Wind Rider also runs pretty good. It's no 60 FPS, but at least the game is very playable and with a decent steady frame rate. After multiple crashes, I am finally in the main menu of PUBG. Oh wait, update file error. Yep, something broke with the game. Oh my god, we're in this screen again. This is the first time I'm seeing this. Okay, low graphics pack. Okay. And now we're here. Okay, so what is going on? Finally, oh my god, finally. It took so long just to get to this point of the game. So there were multiple crashes. One fatal error, which I had to restart and download the whole thing again. The whole graphics pack and everything. Or whatever that was. But yeah, now that we're actually in, the frame rate is low. but there's no major lag or stutter, so you know, I think it's actually playable. Yeah, look. Just download the low graphics pack and don't enable anything fancy, and you should be good with playing PUBG on this phone. So the speaker actually gets pretty loud and the quality is very decent. Just the YouTube app itself, it's very, oh my god, it's so laggy. What the heck? This phone has a pretty decent chip, so I mean, I know it normally has 3 gigs of RAM, but it should still work better than this. I'm kind of confused. Rear camera is 13 megapixels, front camera is 5 megapixels, rear video up to full HD, front video also full HD. And now let's take our first selfie. Now let's go outside. Okay, this is a rear facing video. Typing on the screen. Not bad. And front facing video. Let me know what you think. Alright, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? I'm gonna say if you can find it for less than $100, then it's actually a pretty decent deal. Like, it's not gonna perform that good. Alright, it's actually kind of a pain to use if you're used to anything like this iPhone 13 Pro Max, for example. Then yeah, going from an iPhone to this, it's gonna be very painful. But if you set your expectations low, then you should have no problems with this device, because you just need a little bit more patience. Take into account this is a budget phone. Performance is not gonna be the best, but it still works and does everything that it's supposed to do. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the durability test. That will be a separate video. I will see you in the next video. Peace.